In this tutorial, I am going to show 5 must-know basic Linux commands for every computer science student. To open up a terminal, search for terminal and press enter. You can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl-Alt-T to open the terminal. First is the pwd command. It's an abbreviation for print working directory. The name itself is self-explanatory. It prints the path of current directory. Second is the cd command. Its full form is change directory and it lets you navigate to a different folder. To navigate back to the previous folder, just do cd space dot dot. To go to the home directory, you can do cd space and the tilde sign. Third command is the ls command or list directory command. It prints the contents of a folder. Fourth command is the gedit command. It opens a text editor where you can quickly type any stuff you want and just save and close. The fifth and the most important of all is the man command. It stands for manual. As the name suggests, it's a quick in-terminal guide for more information about commands and their arguments. These commands are must know for beginners. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial and do subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.